Hi, I'm Rafia Hassan, Chief Investment Officer at Wifley Financial. Today, I wanted to share some highlights on markets in the second quarter of 2021. So the domestic economy reopened in Q2 and robust economic data revealed a pickup in sectors of the economy that were most impacted by COVID-19. With this resurgence in economic activity, many businesses experienced supply constraints and inflationary concerns remain top of mind for many investors. Global stocks built on the solid momentum of the first quarter and continued higher in the second quarter. The US stock market experienced the strongest returns, up 8.2%, followed by a 5.2% increase in international developed stocks and emerging market stocks, up 5% as well. A modestly weakening US dollar relative to international currencies actually aided returns for US investors in international markets. On the fixed income side, falling intermediate and long-term interest rates, as well as narrowing credit spreads, resulted in positive returns in both US investment grade bonds, which were up 1.8%, and emerging market bonds, which were up 4.1%. On this next chart, we get more granular in terms of specific segments within the stock and bond markets. A few things that I want to call out are that US large cap stocks were actually the top performers during the quarter, up 11.9%. But US small cap value stocks were the strongest performers in the first half of the year and returned over 26% year to date. On the fixed income side, US Treasury yield curves flattened as short term rates rose and long term rates fell. Within fixed income segments, emerging market bonds were the best performer for the quarter. But if we look at it for the year to date numbers, municipal bonds were actually the best performer year to date and the only fixed income segment that had positive returns in the first half of the year. Despite accelerating inflation and periodic volatility within the second quarter, investors experienced solid results across the board. As concerns regarding potential overheating in the economy come up, we remind investors that a long-term perspective coupled with a well-diversified portfolio has historically been a recipe for investing success. Those are our highlights for the second quarter. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us at wifleyfinancial.com. Thank you.